Hey guys, Julie here, and today we are doing a very, very important taste test. I'm gonna be comparing different brands of frozen pizzas to figure out which one is the best one, and I'm gonna do it blindfolded. Now, frozen pizzas to me are a lot like one-night stands, where I don't do them often, but when I do, I'm usually very disappointed. So today I want to figure out, is there one that's actually good? And can I decipher it? So I will be blindfolded, I will be tasting them, and I have to determine which brand I think the pizza is and rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. All right, bring in the first pizza. So we are choosing between Delissio, which I feel like in the States is called DiGiorno. I don't know why they changed the name up here. Probably did a focus group and they were like, Canadians are a little bit weird. We've also got Dr. Oetker's Restaurante. We've got Amy's, which says it's 70% organic ingredients. We have President's Choice and we have Stromboli. I have gone for the plain cheese or 3 cheese or quattro cheese of all of these to try and get the most general, generic vibe of what the pizza has to offer. Okay. Oh, nice and warm. Thanks for warming it up, guys. Oh. I regret taking a big bite of this one almost immediately. This is not good. It's like rubber. It's like I'm eating a sponge. Like a literal kitchen sponge that has a ton of salt and oregano on top. I don't think I can get this down. I'm not being pretentious. This is bad. This is really gross. There's something, oh God, and it's stuck right here. It's so stodgy, it's not moving. That's where it's decided to live. I think given the squidginess of it and the fact that it's so spongy, I wanna say it's the Delissio because I think they do that like, oh, they're a rising crust, where it's like, no real pizza needs a rising crust. Have you ever been to Napoli? I haven't. This is a 2 out of 10. That's yucky, yucky, yucky. Put that pizza in my face, oh baby. I know what you're thinking. You're probably like, is she a singer? Literally no one is thinking that. All right, here we go. Oh, this one's got a very low profile. This is a little itty bitty pizza. Very thin, crusty poo. Right off the bat, zero smell. That's how you know you got a good pizza, is just when you've got, could be cardboard, could be metal. God, these are bad. I'm not pretentious, they're just so bad. Okay, try to decipher. There's no way 70% of these ingredients are organic. That's taking Amy's out of it. This honestly doesn't smell like anything. Is there even tomato sauce on this? Is it literally just dough with butter? Oh, whoa. I just got a pocket of blue cheese. Oh, that just opened the doors of my brain for deciphering what this might be. I feel like Dr. Oetker is not brave enough to go blue cheese. I feel like they're trying to hit a really, really generic part of the population. So I'm gonna say this is the PC one. And I actually like it better than the last one. It's still repulsive. It's gonna be a 4 out of 10. Yeah, I've been having dance parties in between the pizza eating sessions. And that last party, that took a lot out of me. All right, number 3, bring it on over. Yeah, breathing heavy already. A lot of carb going in, not a lot coming out. Which is probably, I'm thankful for at this moment in time. Okay, ooh, middle of the road profile on this one. A little bit squidgy, like a more crust, I'd say, underneath. This one feels like it's got good potential. Oh, and it smells like things. I smell tomatoes and cheese. That's the bare minimum. This is lovely for a frozen pizza. The crust is nice. It's not bad. It's light. It's got kind of a crispy bottom. It's easy to chew through. It's flavorful. And then the toppings are, oh, the toppings are like real toppings. I'm so jazzed about this. Oh, this has to be the Amy's. This has to be the Amy's. 70% organic ingredients. I can smell the OG. That's how lame people say organic. Never again. That's never coming out of my mouth again. Maybe one more time. I think this is Amy's. I think this is a 6 out of 10. To be honest, I think this is as good as we're gonna get. Gosh, that's good. I'm happy with that. I feel like the integrity of this one is a little bit floppy. Ooh, but it's good. Whoa! 2 home runs in a row. This one's good. The like tomato sauce is really, really vibrant. It's got a nice little bite to it, a little sourness. It feels like, this one feels like really comforting, like it holds me like a hug. Whereas the other ones were like repulsive. I am stumped on this one. The only thing I can think of is a pizza which I've never had before, which is that stromboli one. That's my guess because I have no idea. This one's lovely though. If it's you who's making it, give yourself a pat on the back. And I'm gonna give this one, is this as good as the last one? I'm gonna give it the same grade, which I think was a 7. All right, this is the final one. If you were to ask me, I'd say I'm 4 for 4 right now, so, but I'm a biased judge. Okay, great, this one's a itty bitty as well. Feels really crispy on the bottom, I like that. This one's got a crust to it. Oh, got more toppings than before. This one tastes really familiar. It is not good, it is not the best one. Definitely better than the first one. It feels like, kind of like airplane foodie, where they just like throw in a bunch of salt to try and make it taste like something and it doesn't really have any real ingredients or flavor. That's kind of what this feels like. Well, I think there's one I haven't guessed yet. This has got to be Dr. Oetker. They play safe, and you know what you get when you play safe? Not a good rating. This is a 5. 5 out of 10. Dr. Oetker. Game done. Can I take this off?
Yeah, 5.
Interesting. Yeah, but I wasn't far off with the good ones being the one I had never had before and the Amy's. 70% organic ingredients turns out makes a big friggin' difference, folks. I don't know, do you guys eat frozen pizzas? If you do, what kind do you eat? And do you enjoy it or do you just tolerate it because it's a sad day when a person has to resort to a frozen pizza? Let me know. You can snap at me. I am at Feeling Peckish. Thank you so much for watching our taste testing video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you next time.